All right, guys, welcome back to Arbitrage Academy, where we help you start and scale your rental arbitrage business worldwide. And today we're jumping in and exploring the difference between forming a limited liability company, also known as an LLC, versus operating as a sole proprietorship. Because if you're considering starting your own short-term rental business, this video is for you. It's very important to understand what kind of business structure you're gonna form. Now, prior to jumping in, I wanna state the obvious. I'm not a lawyer, I'm not licensed to give legal advice, and none of the content of this video should be perceived as legal or financial advice. This video is intended to be purely educational. All right. So before we get into the benefits of an LLC versus a sole proprietorship, let's quickly define what each of these business structures mean. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business ownership. It's when you operate as an individual and you have complete control over your business. But on the other hand, an LLC is a legal entity that provides personal liability protection to its owners, and it still offers flexibility and simplicity as well. Now, let's delve into the benefits a little bit further. So, specifically when we talk about an LLC for your short-term rental arbitrage business, it's important to note that there's a number of potential benefits depending on what you're looking for. But the biggest one being personal liability protection. Because by forming an LLC, you actually separate your personal assets from your business assets. And that means that if any legal issues arise, such as property damage or guest injuries, your personal assets like your car or your home are generally shielded from being at risk. Now, benefit number two is that once you've established an LLC, you can now build credit history for your business. And as you build a strong credit history, you can use this to obtain financing later down the road in various forms, and that can help you scale your business. Benefit number three is the credibility and professionalism that comes along with having an established business. Operating as an LLC can enhance the credibility of your short-term rental business. And many property owners feel more comfortable partnering with an established company that has a solid track record. Also, many guests prefer booking with businesses rather than individual owners, as it provides a sense of security and professionalism. Now, benefit number four is the potential tax advantages. And as an LLC, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to be taxed. Now, by default, a single member LLC is considered a disregarded entity for tax purposes. And that means you can report your business income and your expenses on your personal tax return. And this simplifies tax filing and can often lead to potential tax savings. But of course, you'll want to seek the advice of a licensed tax professional to take a look at your specific situation. Now, let's explore the benefits of operating as a sole proprietorship for a business in general. Benefit number one is the simplicity and ease of use. That's really the whole point. Because operating as a sole proprietorship requires minimal paperwork and legal formality. You don't need to file any documents with the state, and you have complete control over your business decisions. Now, with that being said, it's going to be nearly impossible to run a short-term rental arbitrage business as a sole proprietorship, at least not in an efficient manner, because especially as you hire a housekeeping staff, a maintenance team, virtual assistants, you no longer have the ability to run your business as a sole proprietorship. Now, benefit number two is the cost effectiveness. Setting up and maintaining a sole proprietorship is generally less expensive than forming an LLC. And you won't have to pay any filing fees or annual report fees to the state, and that really reduces your initial startup costs. Now, benefit number three is direct control and decision making. As a sole proprietor, you have complete autonomy and can make quick decisions without any formalities or consultations. And this can be advantageous, especially in the dynamic short-term rental market, because things are always changing. But which option should you choose for your short-term rental arbitrage business? Ultimately, it depends on your specific circumstances and priorities, but this video can help you understand the high-level differences and can help you choose the right structure. If personal liability protection, business credit, credibility, and potential tax advantages are important to you, then forming an LLC might be the way to go, because it does provide a clear separation between your personal and your business assets and enhances your professional image, as well as offering tax flexibility. Now, remember, it's crucial to consult with an attorney or a tax professional to understand the legal and the financial implications of each option before making a decision. That wraps up today's video on the benefits of an LLC versus a sole proprietorship for your short-term rental arbitrage business. We hope this information has been valuable to you as you get started or continue your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business insights and tips, because we want to help you 10x your business in 2023. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.